Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another review video for you guys. Like you can already tell by the title, I will be reviewing 3 bestseller products from Cetaphil. Now before jumping onto the review, I will just put it out there that I have dry skin. So whatever I say or my review is my own and it's from the perspective of a dry skin person. So yeah, I just want to put it out there before you're like, oh my god, why did she say that? It's not like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मेरी ड्राई स्किन है, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, so it's my opinion. So if you have oily skin or a different skin type than mine, you may not agree to my review. And even if you're like planning to look at a review, if you have oily skin, this will probably not help you out because I am all of that I say is from my own experience as a dry skin girl. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so the 3 products that I will be reviewing today for you will be the Gentle Skin Cleanser for all skin types. This is the Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Focus, yeah. And the third product is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. So these are the 3 products that I will be reviewing for you today. I have been using these products since October, at least like these 2 products, the ultra hydrating lotion, the ultra hydrating lotion and the gentle skin cleanser I've been using since October, yeah, since October 14th. And this Cetaphil cream I've been using for a month. So I thought I'll just club it all together and give my review. So I'll start off with the cleanser first. Talking about the gentle skin cleanser, it says it is made for all skin types and it can be used for face and body. I use it only for my face as a face wash. And I don't know about all skin types, but for dry skin type, this works really well. I don't know if oily skin people will feel uh, good about this because it is actually very hydrating and non-stripping to your skin, so it doesn't strip off your skin from all the hydration and the natural oils that you have on your skin. So it feels as if हमें usually आदत होती है to feel squeaky clean after we do a face wash, but ये ऐसा feel बिल्कुल भी नहीं देगा. It's like आपने कुछ लगाया अपने face पे, more than like stripping it off. But this has one ingredient that may be controversial for a lot of you, that is sodium lauryl sulfate. Now while I was looking to change my skincare because my skin was acting up real bad, and like in my previous video, like the niacinamide video that I did, उसमें भी मैंने mention किया था that I was trying to simplify my skincare routine. So I was like, it can't get simpler than Cetaphil. So इसलिए मैंने लिया. उस टाइम ये काफ़ी dry skin हो गई थी. I was getting dry patches here around my nose here. So I was like, you know what, I cannot use the normal soapy face wash, the foamy face washes. So that's why I got this. Now while I was researching the ingredients, there was I read about sodium lauryl sulfate. Now a lot of people said that sodium lauryl sulfate is not good for the skin in terms of that it is a cleanser. I mean, like, it's a cleaning ingredient in this formulation, but it can be drying. But somehow, I don't know, I think they got the formulation right, or it's in combination with some other ingredients, that it doesn't actually strip off your skin or doesn't feel squeaky clean or dry after the face wash. Now I am a normal dry skin person, okay, I don't have excessively dry skin, so I can't speak for them if sodium lauryl sulfate will act up on their skin and make it more dry. But as for me, I have been loving this. It does not dry out my skin, and my skin feels super soft and clean, and it just feels very nice. I mean, like, it's a very basic formulation. Don't expect it to do something great. It doesn't have ceramides or peptides or niacinamide or whatever those good ingredients that are in right now. But the formulation is very basic. It has sodium lauryl sulfate, methyl paraben and stuff. It does have parabens, so if you have problem with parabens, you might want to stay away from it. I personally do not have such a big issue with parabens because I've read quite a lot about it, and I've been following a lot of dermat bloggers, like influencers who are dermatologists. So I've read quite a few things about paraben and heard as well from their videos and their articles and stuff. Paraben, I think, is one of the safest preservative, they say, in the skincare world. So I personally do not have a problem with parabens. In case you do have it, so you might want to stay away from this. I don't think Cetaphil as a brand is paraben free or sulfate free. So if that is something that irks you, you might not like this brand. But I personally love this. It doesn't dry out my skin, cleans my skin, and that's all I need from my face wash and nothing fancy. So this gets a thumbs up from my side. Moving on to the second product, I have with me the Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Now this was like these two products I got together. So this was like the first, I had tried this out pehle bhi, like a couple of years pehle. And this I had never tried it out. In fact, I think one of my cousins used this. So I used hers while we were, attending a wedding together. And I really liked how it felt. Now I wasn't sure if it was this or if it was the moisturizing cream. I think it was this, but at that time I got the lotion because monsoon था और मेरे को ज़्यादा heavy cream नहीं चाहिए थी अक्टूबर के टाइम. मतलब monsoon भी नहीं था, but it was still like retreating monsoon वाला phase चल रहा था. So yeah, I got this. Now I was using it day and night उस time, ठीक है, and still it lasted me till December. मतलब मैंने ये कल रात से ही शुरू की है. ये न्यू बॉटल है. वन बॉटल here it is. ये पहले ही एम्प्टी हो चुकी है. लाइक इसमें कुछ भी नहीं बचा. मैंने पूरा स्क्वीज आउट कर दिया है. आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू जस्ट कट इट एंड यूज इट अप बिफोर डिस्कार्डिंग इट. बट दिस इज माई सेकेंड ट्यूब एंड आई हैव टू से वन थिंग, ओनली वन थिंग इज, अगर आपको सेटाफिल की रेंज से अगर एक प्रोडक्ट कुछ लेना है, इट शुड बी दिस. नाउ आई एम अ ड्राई स्किन टाइप. अगेन मैं ये बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज इफ यू लाइक सुपर ड्राई इट माई नॉट वर्क फॉर यू. बिकॉज मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उसकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन है. सो व्हेन शी वाज यूजिंग इट, उसको कुछ भी मतलब फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा था. शी वाज स्टिल गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ड्राई पैचेस, ड्राइनेस हो रही थी बिल्कुल. इट वॉजेंट लाइक उसके इश्यूज़ को ठीक नहीं कर रही थी ये क्रीम. So may not work for like super dry skin. Anyway, this product is one amazing product. It is not at all heavy. तो अगर आप oily skin हो, I think you will probably like this product because it's not at all heavy. It is non-comedogenic. Is it? Yeah, it won't clog pores. It is non-greasy completely and 100% agree to that because it's not greasy. It is hypoallergenic, so if you have sensitive acne prone skin, it will suit you. It will not irritate your skin. And 24 hours moisturizer for daily use. Now being so light, it is such a good formulation. I don't know how to express it. मतलब I used to use it every day and night like मैंने कहा, but it's not at all heavy. But आपको ऐसा लगेगा आपकी स्किन कुछ ज़्यादा ही मॉइस्चराइज्ड हो रखी है. I mean like इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ फील गुड होती है ना, एकदम लाइट विप्ड अप क्रीम है, वैसा आप कुछ मुंह पे लगा रहे हो. इट विल नॉट मेक योर स्किन ऑयली एट ऑल, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट विल मेक श्योर दैट योर स्किन इज वेल हाइड्रेटेड एंड मॉइस्चराइज्ड. सो दिस इज वन प्रोडक्ट दैट इफ यू हैव लाइक ड्राई, नॉर्मल और ऑयली स्किन, डेफिनेटली डू गेट दिस. आई मीन लाइक अगर एक ही प्रोडक्ट आपको लेना है सेटाफिल से, इट हैज़ टू बी द डेली एडवांस ultra hydrating lotion. Now moving on to the third product, it is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream for all skin types. So it says it's long lasting intense hydration for daily use, which I completely agree with. I use it as a night cream. ये थोड़ी heavy है but it will not clog your pores. ये बहुत अच्छे से absorb भी हो जाती है skin में and it forms like a good layer on your skin. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई विल रिपीट माई सेल्फ अगेन, ये आपके पोर्स क्लॉग नहीं करेगी जो इसमें लिखा है. आई अग्री. इट इज़ नॉन ग्रीसी, नॉन इरिटेटिंग. अग्री. इनिशियली आप जैसे ही आप लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम अप्लाई करोगे आपको लगेगा थोड़ी ग्रीसी है, बट वंस यू लाइक मसाज इट इनटू योर स्किन, इट विल गेट अब्जॉर्ब्ड इनटू योर स्किन and it won't feel like uncomfortably heavy on your skin. And it is hypoallergenic again, so if you have sensitive acne prone skin, this will not irritate your skin, which is a good thing. Now like I said, I use it as a night cream because रात को especially I stay in Himachal and it gets super cold here. ऊपर से heaters on रहते हैं most of the time and यहाँ कोई आसपास वाटर बॉडी भी नहीं है कि you know their humidity levels थोड़े ठीक होंगे. यहाँ पे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राइनेस होती है in the normal air also, and जो हम घर में बैठ के हीटर सेकते हैं उससे भी स्किन और भी ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है. So that is why I use this. रात को I really like to moisturize my skin with this and squalane. So that's what I do रात को. But all in all, I like this. It's a pretty decent cream. Now all skin types it suit करेगी. Oily skin type people may not like it because ये थोड़ी heavy हो सकती है उन लोगों के लिए. बट इवन लाइक सुपर ड्राई स्किन, तो लाइक आई सेड ये तो सुपर ड्राई पे बिल्कुल काम नहीं करेगी, बट दिस माइट वर्क फॉर यू. बट देन अगेन लाइक आई सेड मेरी फ्रेंड की बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन है, तो उसके पे तो ये भी काम नहीं कर रही थी. सो यू माइट वांट टू ट्राई इट. आई थिंक ये ड्राई स्किन पे अच्छे से काम करेगी. बट अगर आपकी ड्राइनेस ऐसी क्रीम से भी हील नहीं हो रही है, देन आई थिंक यू माइट वांट टू सी योर डर्मैट और जस्ट लाइक यू नो switch up your diet. Maybe if you're not having a good diet or drinking lots of water, maybe, I don't know, whatever the reason, maybe I'm not a dermat so I can't like diagnose your dry skin issues. But if you have super dry skin, I'd suggest go to a dermat. Otherwise अगर normal dry skin है तो definitely try this out, it will help you. So again, a thumbs up from me. I never really had like a problem with any of these products. I've loved all these three and I don't think I'm gonna switch it up anytime soon. Maybe summers के time I stop using this because ये थोड़ी heavy हो सकती है. Summers में I like to keep my moisturizers very light. But these two products, I don't think I'm like switching these up anytime soon because I really like it. I would give this like a must-have product, like a 5 out of 5. If you want one thing from Cetaphil, it has to be the ultra hydrating lotion. It will suit most of the skin types unless and until you're super dry. Stay away from it. This is a very good product. Get it if you have like dry skin. Definitely will not strip off your skin from its natural oils. It will keep it hydrated, soft and supple, which I think I had a good time using it and I will continue to use it. So again, this will get like a 4.5 I would say, maybe just because sodium lauryl sulfate hai, which people say is like a drying ingredient. But then again, personally मुझे बिल्कुल भी drying नहीं लगा ये. So I think it's fine, but agar if the brand can improve this formulation slightly with, then why not? So I'll give this like a 4.5 out of 5. And the moisturizing cream is a decent cream moisturizer, I would say. I mean, like, it's a thick moisturizer, so I'll give this like a 3.54 out of 5. It's not like out of this world kind of a product, but it's a decent product. It does the job, so why not? So that was all for my review of the Cetaphil product. I hope you found this review useful. If you have any other questions regarding these products, please list it down in the comment section so I can get back to you. I mean, like, I got really like good feedback on my Sugandha Niacinamide serum review video. So yeah, I thought of making another review video, and since this is like the simpler side of skincare and a lot of people are opting for simple basic skincare, so I thought I'll review these products for you. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.